Describe a time that something changed your life in good ways. Change is the law of nature. Knowingly or unknowingly, many things bring a change in our life. Here, I would like to talk about a time when my life changed for the better. It was about 2 years ago. My cousin Jesslyn visited us from Canada. She had gone to Canada for her higher education. The Jesslyn I knew was a size double XL, but the Jesslyn in front of me after 2 years was a size XS. She was unrecognizable. She was also a lot more confident and smarter. She was with us for 2 days only, but those 2 days with her changed me a lot. Even I was on the borderline obese side, but nothing had worked for that till that time for losing weight. I asked Jesslyn about her journey from extra big to extra small. She told me that I had not been easy for her, but she had made up her mind to lose weight regularly and in a switchable way. She made it a point to walk to her college, which was just a mile. All her friends took the bus, but she walked. Surprisingly, they reached the college in almost the same time. They had to wait 5 to 10 minutes for the bus, but she reached the college in 14 minutes with her brisk walk. In the evening, she would again go to the library of the college, so she 4 miles every day helped her. So these 4 miles every day helped her. Another thing she did was add a lot of fruit to her diet. She stopped sugar altogether. Just these two things, and in 2 years she was a new person. Since then I have started walking whenever and wherever possible. My teas are without sugar, and when I am hungry between meals, I go for fruit. It has not only improved my looks but also feel healthier and more confident. All my clothes look good on me, and I don't feel conscious of my body anymore. Thank you for watching.